Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Aries. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what is coming up, Aries. I'll be picking few cards from this deck, guys, and few cards from the other deck, and I'll give the message from your person at last. Aries, with these cards, I feel there is some person or someone trying to dominate you guys. Maybe they are trying to, what to say, counsel you regarding your relationship or your financial decisions, but Aries, you feel they are trying to take control of your life and command you to do things. Okay, that is the way you feel, guys. Maybe they are trying to counsel you, but you feel they are trying to dominate you regarding your relationship or your work. Somebody or someone is, what to say, trying to offer, mentor you or advise you. Okay, so you do not like that, and you are having, what to say, you are very confused regarding that. You are having trouble accepting this fact that someone is trying to manipulate you. You are feeling that challenging in your life, guys, and you are really irritated with that. But something is ending, guys. Maybe you are severing ties with this person or that situation that causing this confusion for you all, Aries. So Aries, and you don't want people counseling you, advising you on your personal things or in your professional decisions, and you are really irritated by that, guys. So you're maybe for some of you all, you're just leaving them, you're not taking their advice, or maybe that situation, guys, you are running away from that situation. That is what I see here, guys. Let us pick a few cards from the other deck, guys. Let us see what is coming up. Page of Pentacles, Eight of Cups, Ace of Pentacles. So Aries, with these cards, I feel it is time for you to move away from your emotions, this feeling of doubt, this feelings of people trying to control you, intimidate you. So you have to overcome all those negative energies, guys, and you should divert your attention maybe to some kind of learning, something to do positively, so that way you will be able to divert your attention. When you do that, you will reach success, guys, in your relationship or in your personal life, in your professional life, whatever it is. So you need to give up these negative emotions, guys, regarding this person who is trying to control you or dominate you. You just need to give up all those negative emotions, stay away from that negativities to get what you need, guys. So that is the reading, guys. Let me pick out few cards from the message deck. Let's see what is coming up, Aries. So somebody is trying to dominate you, guys. Maybe this may be your person, your friend, or someone from your family, or someone older than you, maybe your sibling. You are always ready to help me. So you are feeling really bad, very emotional because of that. You want to overcome the situation, you want to break free from all the rules they have laid for you guys. Aries, with these cards, I feel they feel your person feels that you make them very, what to say, happy every day, day to day, and you make them laugh, and they really enjoy being with you, and they are very happy and content in this relationship with you. The way you make them feel in this relationship, they're really happy, and they feel you're very understanding, guys. This may be your energy towards your person or your person's energy towards you guys. So that is the reading for today, guys. So you need to break free from your negative emotions, Aries, to overcome the situation and reach success, guys. So that is the reading for today. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Aries.